Alright, real talk. If money stresses you out, this will help. I'm giving you 10 rock-solid financial rules to live by, no exceptions. Show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more informative content. Screenshot this, share it, live it. Let's go. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. At least 20%. Before rent, before fun, before anything, auto-transfer money into savings and investments the moment you get paid. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Rule 2. Kill high-interest debt. Fast. If the rate starts with a 1, like 19% or a 2, like 25%, that's an emergency. Throw every extra dollar at it until it's gone. Rule 3. Build a boring emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash. Not sexy, super powerful. It turns crises into inconveniences. Rule 4. Spend less than you earn. Always. Track it. If it doesn't fit, it doesn't ship. Lifestyle creep is the silent killer. Rule 5. Invest automatically, consistently, and for the long term. Low-cost index funds. Every paycheck. Don't time the market. Give it time in the market. Rule 6. Know your numbers cold. Net worth, credit score, savings rate. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Check monthly. Adjust fast. Rule 7. Protect the downside. Health insurance, renters or homeowners insurance, and if people depend on you, term life. One bad surprise shouldn't erase 10 good years. Rule 8. Separate wants and needs. Ruthlessly. Needs keep you alive. Wants can wait or get hacked. Buy used. Negotiate. Compare. Cancel. Downgrade. Rule 9. Buy assets, not flexes. Stocks, skills, side hustles, businesses. Flexes fade, assets compound. Choose compounding. Rule 10. Keep money simple, consistent, and boring. Automate bills, animate investing, set calendar check-ins. Boring systems beat exciting mistakes. Bonus mindset, raise your income ceiling. Learn skills with market value. Ask for raises with receipts. Build a side stream you can scale. Cutting lattes helps. Growing income changes the game. Here's a 30-second action plan. Today, set up 20% auto transfer and list every debt with interest rates. This week, build a $1,000 starter emergency fund, cancel 3 subscriptions, and open a low-cost index fund. This month, negotiate 1 bill, boost income by $100 from a skill or gig, and schedule a money check-in. Remember, your future self is watching what you do this paycheck. Make moves they'll thank you for. If this hit home, drop your toughest money rule in the comments. Share this with someone who needs it. And subscribe for weekly money power-ups.